An outstanding example direct from the one local owner from new. What a beauty this is, in probably one of the best colours, Estoril Blue Metallic. So let's take you all the way around this. This is the BMW X1 XDrive. This is a 2 litre i M Sport automatic. 2 litre petrol, 190 brake horsepower, and of course XDrive means 4-wheel drive. 8-speed automatic. Raced in September 2017 on a 67 plate with incredible low mileage of just 28,000 miles with full service history. The car is absolutely beautiful all the way around. These are superb to drive, great handling, lots of space, and of course safety with 4-wheel drive. Electric tailgate, massive boot on these, nice easy loading area. And just look at that colour. Isn't it gorgeous? Absolutely love the colour, suits the car. Lovely clean boot. Got the centre folding, or the two outers folding, 60-40 split. Loads of storage under there. No spare wheel on these, so you got all the kit just under there. The inflation kit. Electric tailgate. Bodywork is totally unmarked, absolutely beautiful all the way around. No dents, scratches, scuffs or little dings anywhere. All the wheels we've just had professionally sandblasted and powder coated. Not particularly to damage, but just the fact they all tend to go all funny with under the lacquer. Good tyres all the way around. Plenty of tread on those. Black roof rails. Just look at it, absolutely gorgeous. Again, a real close-up of the near side front again. As you can see, all brand new really, with the refurbishment, so none of them are marked at all. Good close-up across the front. It's got around £1,700 worth of factory fitted options. All beautifully clean and tidy, no damage there as you can see. And this is why I do the videos, full close-up, full transparency. Of course you'll get the odd tiny stone chip, age of mileage, but we guarantee none of our cars would come with any damage or dents or scuffs or dings. We're proud of how we present all our vehicles, giving you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair, with a full close-up of every single part of the vehicle. Just show you the final wheel. Again, all in great unmarked condition, and again with the tyre, plenty of tread there, plenty of life. Beautiful inside. Lots of legroom in there, non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. Got this beautiful Alcantara trim. The attention to detail is just beautiful. Again, all the driver's door trim, all unmarked. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Front sport seats. Of course you've got the adjustable front sport seats to get extra comfort on your legs, just get it absolutely perfect. All the upholstery, all unmarked. Keyless start. 28524 to be exact, 28524, one owner, full service history. Easy menu to scroll across. All the information is there, just nice and easy. Scroll through. Great sound system of the vehicle. Reverse camera. So this one's got the front and rear parking sensors with the camera, which were an option on the vehicle when it was new. Media input. Navigation, map. All very easy and clear. As you can see, just scroll through to find whatever you want, including the engine oil level. All the service history is on there. We also have invoices for 23 and 24. All the stereo controls there, CD player, all easy. Dual zone climate control, heated front seats, various drive modes. Again, that comes up on the dashboard. You can configure that exactly how you want it, sports or comfort. Everything's all controlled by the little wheel there with all the menu there. Paddle shift gear change, cruise control and speed limiter, volume control, voice control,
navigation.
Navigation. Say a menu option. For example, map or enter destination.
Map.
Map.
With the voice activation, it's so easy. You can get your destination or call somebody or change radio stations. Such a safe way to drive. So there we have it, our absolutely beautiful low mileage one owner BMW X1 2-litre petrol 190 brake horsepower automatic 4-wheel drive with just 28,000 miles. Outstanding all the way around. We welcome part exchange. Please call us with your part exchange details, or ideally just click the link on the website to sell my car. That gives us all the details so we can give you an accurate description, making it easy for you to get the best price for your car. You can reserve this car 24/7 direct to our website. Click and reserve, and remember our full money back guarantee. If the car is not as described, we will refund your money, no questions asked. If you want it, hit the button. We have many customers who've missed out while they've just been thinking about it. If you want it, reserve it. Remember the full money back guarantee. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Read about our raving fans reviews and you understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. And we do the videos to show you full transparency of how nice all our cars are. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. We're open Monday to Saturday, here to help. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.